Hi everyone, I have instructions for Module 4, Word Template Ion. There is no link to open up a file, so in Word, click File, New, type in the search template box, Ion, and search. There will be only one that comes up. This is the Ion Design blank. Select it. It gives you a little description of when you would use this basic Ion Design blank template. Choose Create. These are called placeholders, and you just click and type your information. So click Title, type your name, click Heading 1, type San Francisco, click the paragraph anywhere underneath, and it selects the entire paragraph, and press Delete. This is the place where you'll put your information. So I'd like a little bit of fun facts, information about San Francisco. So rather than leaving Word and going into Google or Microsoft Windows Edge, select San Francisco, click the Review tab, choose Smart Lookup. And on the right hand side, a window pane opens that gives you Explore websites based on San Francisco, or you can click Define and you have a pronunciation tab and a brief description or definition. I'm going to go back to Explore and then click More, and then just give me 2 or 3 fun facts about San Francisco. Save and submit. Thank you.